Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to use Google Meet as a tool for you to record your lesson. And that lesson will be then rendered and put inside your Google Drive. And from there, you can actually send it to your students in your Google Classroom. Okay, let's go. In this video, we talk about how to do recording. Yep, so imagine that you're already in a class and you can always start to record your class. All you need to do is just to press this button here, record. Recording a meeting without consent from all participants may be illegal and actionable. You should obtain consent to record this meeting from all participants, including external guests and guests who will join later. So what it means is it will be good that you just let all the students know that you will be recording this class. So once you click on accept, once the red button has come on, it means that the recording has started. So now you can go on as usual, your classes. You can also be presenting your slides by using the Present Now button. To know more about how to share screen, present slides or documents, please watch the earlier tutorial. And once you are done with the recording, so what you need to do is you just have to press this button, stop recording. It will tell you where the recording will be saved. The recording will be saved in in my Google Drive. That means in your Google Drive. So I said stop recording. You can choose cancel or stop. Now the recording has been stopped and it will be saved in your Google Drive. So now let us access that Google Drive. You will receive a notification in your Gmail when the recording has been uploaded. The process may take a few minutes depending on how long your video is. You can now access the video from the link given to you in the Gmail, or you can go to your Google Drive. Go into My Drive and look for the folder Meet Recordings. The next part of this video, we will talk about how to use Google Meet recording function to use it as a tool to record a video lesson. It is exactly the same as recording a GMeet live lesson. The only thing is you do not have students in the GMeet. Once you have all your materials prepared, you just join a GMeet. For the meeting code, you can give it any name you like, and after that, go ahead and join the meeting. You can choose to turn on or off your webcam, and then you can start your lesson by pressing on the record button. But I strongly suggest that you do have some kind of visuals if you are not using your webcam. You can choose to present a PowerPoint slides by using the Present Now button, or sharing your entire screen. At the end of your lesson, you just have to press stop recording and you will receive a notification on your email once the video has been uploaded. Go ahead and review your videos before you send it out to your students. Alright, I hope that is helpful to all of you, so that you can consider doing video lessons when you need to. A very easy way of setting up your video lessons and then send it as a link to all your students. And if you do have any other questions, please share with us so that we can continue to help each other along this process. Thank you very much.